everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got the return of Barry's Cactus Club. That's how it arrives through the post. Now you might have seen me unbox this last month. I was really impressed with it, so I had to get it for another month to see what's inside. Now I'll just give you a quick lowdown about Barry's Cactus Club, but if you saw my last video and you'd rather just skip forward to seeing me actually unboxing, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Barry's Cactus Club is a monthly live plant subscription box, and it's based in the UK and they only ship within the UK. The cost of the box is £15 a month, and that includes shipping. And if you opt for a monthly rolling subscription, you can cancel any month. They offer 3 months and 12-month subscriptions at a reduced cost, and you're able to also gift a box as well. Inside every box you will receive a new succulent or cactus. You'll receive a unique pot. You will also receive collector's cards with advice and sometimes some added freebies as well. When I received my first box last month, because I'm a new subscriber, they gave me a little cactus pin badge and also a Barry's Cactus Club some food, and I had like this little booklet. You'll see when I open up the subscription these little cards with all the information about how to care for your plant. Then you can fit these little cards into this booklet. So I think that's it as far as information goes. I have got a refer a friend code which you're welcome to use, or it's a link, and it entitles you to receive your first box for £10, and I'll pop that down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you click that, that'll bring up my description, and all links and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what I received this month. So it looks like that, and it says here we've got a blue candle and ceramic pot. Oh, I can't say. I couldn't say the name of the plant last month, and I know one or two of you, so go on Claire, give it a go. Alright then, it's Myrtilo cactus, Geometrizans. There you go. That was better than last month's. And also they've added in an ear plant, and it says here native to Mexico and South America, ear plants survive by absorbing water and nutrients through their leaves rather than through the soil. They use their short wiry roots to attach themselves to branches, cliff faces and even power cables rather than rooting in soil. Pop them in a pot where they'll get good air circulation. Allow the leaves to dry between waterings. They say they live for about 5 years. They deteriorate after blooming, however they grow pups. Leave the pups attached until they are about half the size of the parent plant. Propagating pups will give you an ongoing collection of beautiful plants. And it says here to water them, spray plants twice a week until they are thoroughly wet, or you can take them to the sink and run tepid water over them. Don't soak them. Turn plants upside down to allow excess water to run off. Standing water at the base of the leaves will cause them to rot. Oh my gosh, okay. There's some padding there, padding. You know what I mean? Look! That's the ear plant. That is so weird. That is so weird. So I just put it in a pot and water it upside down. I might do that in a sink, as it says. It sounds a little bit easier, isn't it? And just put it in a pot. Well, just place it then. Wow. I wonder how big they go. It doesn't feel real. That is so strange. Do any of you have any ear plants? If you do, let me know what they're like and how big they grow. So that's the freebie for the month. And this is my cactus and plant pot. I should have realised there's a little thing like this that you can open it this way. Oh, it's a tall one this month. We had a sea urchin, that's the English name, and it was a round stubby one. I love the pot. Oh, I love that. It's like a little terracotta pot. Oh, hold on. Look at the spines on that. Oh my word. It's stuck. Stuck. There you go. Yeah, I was reading in last month's one that in winter you're not supposed to do anything to them. You're supposed to just leave them. But yeah, just pop them in, I don't know, a window or somewhere that has good lighting. Look at that pot and the plant, cactus plant. I really like that. And that's the little plant. What's the English name of it again? A blue candle. This is the little card I was telling you about, so you're able to slot it into the little booklet that you have with your first subscription. And yeah, it just tells you a little bit about the plant and how to care for it. So I'll just give you a quick overview. In his home country of Mexico, this little amigo will grow into the grandest of candelabra, up to 4.5 meters high. Okay, what about the UK? At home, his blue-grey candle-like stem, deep ribs and spiny areole will mature at a height of 60 centimetres. That's quite high. He will then produce densely packed side shoots. In the spring, small whitish fragrant flowers lasting only a day will be followed by purple oblong berries known as garambulo. Now, I am new to cactus growing, if you hadn't already guessed. I am pretty clueless, so it's all completely new to me, but I think one or two of you mentioned in my last video that these pots, we'd have to transport them when they start growing because they need bigger blocks to grow. Well, obviously if it grows to 60 centimetres I'm definitely going to outgrow that pot, isn't it? So yeah, so that's good to know. If you've got any other tips you can give me on how to look after cactuses, very much appreciate it if you let me know. So that's my little Barry's cactus for November. I'm really chuffed with it. So yeah, so as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the subscription? Have you subscribed to Barry's Cactus Club before? What do you think of it? Or do you know of any other live plant subscriptions out there? I did say that I was going to have a look, but I haven't managed to do so yet. So if you know of any others, especially if they're good value for money, please let me know down in the comments. But yeah, all your thoughts and opinions regarding this subscription, I'd love to know as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.